So this is actually our crew's third attempt to try and back this trailer up. We've seen a couple 79th Street wobbles over here, and he's not done a great job of trying to get this back down. But here we go, attempt number 3. And he looks a little better this time, but look at how close the trailer is to the dock. I don't know what he's thinking here. And he's still bringing it back. And he's pushing away from the dock now. Now the guide pole's going to hit the boat and push the boat off the dock. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that's the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here visiting 79th Street. So the guy on the dock's like telling him, I think you're all right. He just tosses his hand in the air. And he pulls forward a little bit. And I guess we're going to have to try this again. So our guy's trying to get the boat off the dock a little bit and line it up with the guide poles as he backs down. But now he's the same deal, backing into the dock again. He's putting the trailer right against the dock. That guide pole's going to be touching the dock when he's done. Yeah, he's going the wrong way. You can see right here, look at the guide pole on the dock side. I mean, he's hitting the dock. Unbelievable. Well, it looks like he's going to leave it there and try from here, though, because he's getting out of the truck. Looks back again. But let's see what they do. So Cap's gotten behind the helm to try and load this one on. I mean, as close as they are to the dock, I don't know why they didn't just walk it on. Unless the trailer's not deep enough. But here you can see he's having to push against the dock just to even get this thing moving at all. So, oh man. It's like loading sideways, but again, the trailer's all jacked up, pushed into the dock. The boat you can see is hitting the dock as well. And his buddy up front's trying to tell him, bro, you're not lined up. I don't even know if he can back off the trailer at this point because he's on the dock. So he's walking up to the bow to try and get a better look at the situation that he has to deal with. But the situation you have to deal with, man, is your trailer's too close to the dock. You really need to go back to the truck and try and reline this one up. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. Can he get it on from here? I mean, it kind of looks like it's half on the trailer, but something's obviously off. He's walking up to the bow to try and scope the situation out. And now we're going to leave the boat again. So back to the truck we go, which is what we said. But he's backing up. He's backing up into the dock more. So he got it far enough now that the boat's floating, and it appears the trailer's floating as well. But no, bro! Man, he's got this truck buried to the axle. Everything's hitting the dock. What is he doing? So they're back at it again. He did pull the truck forward a few inches, but it looks like the trailer's floating now, so it's off the dock. So, I mean, one, I think they're too deep now. It's going to make it more difficult to get it on the trailer correctly. And now this deep, I don't know why he's powering on again. Here, I just walk it on. The trailer's so deep, bro, that the trailer's floating, you're floating. He's kind of yelling at the guy on the dock. And now he's going to back off and hit the dock with the boat. And our guy almost fell in off the dock. That one was close. Oh, man. He just bent the snot out of that guide pole. That thing is wrecked over there. What is this? I don't understand. These ones are hard to watch because you just want to yell at them and be like, bro, walk it on. Or if we were on the other side, one of us would walk over there and help them. Problem is that it's about a 40-minute walk, and hopefully they're still not there in 40 minutes trying to get this done, as we got to walk all the way around. So our crew, I mean, he's wrecked the guide pole on the port side. I can tell by how much room there is on the starboard side, he's not lined up correctly on the trailer now either. He's trying to scope it out to see what the deal is, but I mean, he's missed. But it'll look okay because everything's floating. So he just thinks, oh, I'm over. But like, that's just not accurate. So, bro, you're going to have to toss a line to the dock and have somebody pull you over a little bit, or grab that guy pull and try and go. There you go. So he's going to get the hand from the dock. And I mean, and this is how much he's floating. The trailer's not even moving either. So he's... Now his buddy's up at the bow. It looks like he's going to pull it back by trying to rebend the guy pull. That doesn't work. You're going to have to deal with that outside of the water, bud. I mean, so his buddy's up at the bow, so I'm assuming he's trying to winch him on. And the key, I guess, to this one, since you're floating this much, is going to be just making sure when you actually start to pull out that you pull out slow enough that hopefully it lands right on the trailer. Why is he going back to the helm? Tell me he's just going to trim them. Don't start the motors. Jesus. Why? There's no reason. Dude, you're floating so much. There's no reason you have to run this up. Man, starting the motors in that situation, he's just asking for more trouble. So I wonder, so is the guide pole toast, or you think he can bend that back? I've never bent one that bad. In fact, I don't typically even use them anymore, but I mean, they are nice to have if you're boating somewhere and docking somewhere where there's a heavy current. That's the biggest place where I see the need for them. So, I mean, they look like they're probably okay centered on the trailer. His buddy looks like he's done doing whatever he was doing up at the bow of the boat, because he's definitely not at the winch anymore. Our girl's trying to line it up, and he's kind of still just tossing his hands in the air like, whatever. Bro, quit messing with that. There's no need. It doesn't matter. Leave it alone. I mean, so now we're doing absolutely nothing, so I guess you should be telling your boy to go ahead and pull you out. Why with the motors? I don't understand. Again, when you're floating this much, you don't even need to power on. I just don't understand. They're floating. So it's easily, you should be able to winch this up. He should already be to the bow stop. If he's not, something's wrong. But here we go, still, and of course he's still on the guy pulling the other side. Man, this crew is an absolute mess as they're trying to get this one out of here, but he leaves the helm, so it looks like they probably have got it lined up where they want it now. And probably should be, I guess, good to go. And if they're good to go, we're getting out of here as well. So thanks for watching, crew. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here. And yes, they do wind up getting that out.